Hi everyone. Okay, I will just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I will start the session shortly. Just give some time for everyone to tune in. Okay. So basically today topic I think is suitable for the beginner or maybe some of like advanced if you want to kind of have a refresh. Okay, topic. Today we're going to talk about trend trading. Okay. How is you guys doing so far? Hey, hello Ajay. How are you doing so far? Okay, I will start the session very soon. Okay, just give some time for every one of you guys to tune in. So while we are waiting, okay, just a quick look here. So they're gonna have a news later today. Okay, they're gonna have consumer confidence 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. they're gonna have FOMC minutes meeting minutes. So I think it's gonna have a very high impact news. It's gonna affect the EUR, USD, GBP and gold. So if you trading gold, I think we will see whether price, where is our lovely gold, have a quick look, whether price will either bounce from here, support, or continue to go down. Okay, what do you think about gold? Do you think that the momentum is really changing? Okay, so today we're going to talk about gold as well. Okay, because we're going to trading with trend today. Okay, I think shall we start? Doing good. Okay, happy to hear that. All right, okay, shall we start? Okay, the disclaimer as usual. All right, this is marketing communication. All right, does not contain and should not be construed as containing investment advice or an investment recommendation or an offer of or solicitation for the transaction in the final instruments. All right, past performance is not guarantee or prediction of future performance. This analysis contained herein does not constitute a personal recommendation. Okay, and risk warning over here. Okay, trading forex and CFD carries a high level of risk to your capital. Okay, you should only trade with the money that you can afford to lose. All right, and please read and ensure you fully understand our risk disclosure. Okay, and the agenda for today, basically I'm going to cover what is trend trading, why trend trading is work, identify trend and key trend indicator. Okay, so most of the time today I will bring you guys to the chart. So what is trend trading? Okay, oh, I forgot to introduce myself. All right, you guys should already know me. My name is Peggy. Okay, I'm investment analyst and a prop trader as well. So you will see me like every Tuesday. Okay, and what is trend trading? So basically the trend trading is trading strategy where the trader aims to capitalize on market momentum by identifying and following the prevailing direction of the price movements over a specific period. Okay, and we really know that trend is your friend. Okay, so now I'm going to go over to the chart. What do you think about XAUUSD or gold? What do you think about I'm using the IC market chart. Okay, for just based on the daily time frame, if you want to look for the trend, so basically if price on uptrend, you will know that price will make the higher here, right? You can see the price will make the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Continue to go up, and then we will know that this is on uptrend. If the downtrend, we already know that price will make the high, low, higher high, lower low, lower high. Continue to go downtrend. The high is lower, like that. We already know that. So I'm asking about what do you think about gold? Do you think that gold still bearish or bullish? Do you think it's still bullish? What do you think about gold? Based on daily time frame, what do you think about gold XAUSD, guys? Based on the daily time frame, what trend is that? Is a bear or bull? What do you think? I try to put the watermark here. Anyone? No, the answer is okay. So to me, based on the daily time frame, I think the momentum is really changing, based on what I can see here in the chart, because if they want to continue to go higher, just a quick look here, higher, do you look here? Maybe I'm changing to this one just from here. Higher high. What do you think about this one? Price already break on what I can see, this swing, like swing low here. Price already break below this low, like this low, and they create the new low here, meaning that they should go the lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. So based on the daily time frame, the momentum is changing from bullish to bearish, right? Based on the daily time frame, and now I'm talking about what is the another trend. We have uptrend and we have downtrend, and we also have sideways or ranging, meaning that price is just ranging here based on the daily time frame. So there will be two trend. There will be uptrend, price make a higher high, higher high, higher low. This uptrend. And then we also have another one which is downtrend, price make a lower low, lower high. And then we have another one is just a ranging, meaning that price is just in the ranging market, no volume. When you see the ranging market here, it happen when? It will happen when the price have like the impulse move, right? Maybe I go to here, for example, you will see that based on daily time frame, do you see the impulse move here? Move up, right? And after that, price will just ranging here based on the daily time frame, because we will see that exhausted already. You keep climbing, for example, you're running, climbing, you're tired, you take a break here, right? Resting, and after that, you continue to go uptrend, go higher, right? So this is a ranging market. You want to look at the daily time frame here with ranging, and after that, suddenly they break above the high, which is this high, right? I will draw from the wick. They break above, here, pull back, continue to go uptrend. I think I can adjust. Here, right? Do you see? Break above, pull back, this one, right? And then continue to go higher. So we have uptrend, we have downtrend, and then we have sideways for the trend. And then we also have I'm going to talk about the tools. Okay, if you want to use the indicator to identify the trend, the most common one, or the most like an indicator I'm using, which is EMA 200. How does it work? Okay, for the EMA 200 based on gold, okay, if price is go above EMA 200, you need to look for the buy. You look for buy entry, because what you can see here. Okay, and another one is EMA also acting as support and resistance. If price break above the EMA 200, it will acting at your support level here. Okay, here. Okay, you can see that. If price go below, your EMA will acting at the resistance level, and you need to sell. Okay, you see the momentum here. We buy, price break below, pull back. Right, this is your pullback. So this is your resistance. Okay, and then you continue to go down. From here, based daily time frame, you will see your price action. Okay, triple bottom here, and what you could see here, price break above. You can break above EMA 200, pull back, continue to go up trend. This one come back up again and test another EMA 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. This is a daily time frame. Okay, and then continue to go higher. Okay, EMA 200 used for daily time frame or we can use H1, H4 time frame. You can use in any time frame you want, but you need to refer to the higher time frame. Basically, you need to look for the higher time frame for the direction first. For example, based on daily time frame for gold today. Okay, yesterday gold ending with bearish engulfing candle, which is this one. And do you see that they also create what? They create the bearish of the block, not bearish, sorry, it's the bullet of the block here. Why I have in H1 here? Okay, it's a bearish of the block. Okay, so today we're going to sell gold based on daily time frame. Okay, so daily time frame, we also can see another that the momentum is really changing. Okay, up to here, higher high, higher low. They break below this low. Okay, now they pull back here, continue to go down like that. Okay, and any of you guys sell gold yesterday, this is our resistance level. Now it become your overlap resistance yesterday, that's why we sell here. Okay, and over here it also has somewhere close to 78.6% right here. Okay, so yesterday we sell gold here, so today we're going to sell. You could wait for price to pull back here and then continue to go down. Okay, so meaning that we will see the momentum is that they could go like that, right? Go down, pull back, and then continue to go lower. But if they break above because the news, and then there is another case, and then tomorrow we have to look for the key level again. Okay, now, okay, based on daily time frame, of course gold will be go higher. I mean, it's a safe haven, right? If you have gold, you can just hold. Okay, it will make your profit anyway, but of course you will see that you will see the pullback first. Okay, it could pull back to here, or maybe to here, at least 2467. Okay, that is possible, somewhere around here based on daily time frame. So now yesterday go anyway with bearish engulfing candle, and what we could see here, I use a channel line. Okay, price also in a bearish channel line here. Correction the, okay, I think I will just don't use the breakout. Okay, over here, right? We go back to H4. That's why if gold, you need to sell, right? You need to sell. We want to sell gold today. Quasimodo, yeah, Quasimodo, head and shoulder, QM, what ICT, SMC actually is the same pattern. I mean the same strategy. It's just the way they call. Yeah, you can call Quasimodo as well. Okay, or QM. The short form is QM. Okay, now, okay, in head 4 time frame, what do you see that? Do you see this EMA? So now EMA is acting at the what? The resistance level. So we want price to pull back. So it's close to my sell entry here. So this is my sell zone. They're gonna be my first resistance levels, meaning that I'm wait for price to pull here and then continue to sell. Okay, I'm not reinforcing only like email. I don't trade with the email. I just tell you that you can use email to identify the trend. Okay, so if I don't use email, this is gonna be my pullback resistance level. Okay, even though here is a valid order block in daily time frame. And again, if you to sell here, you have to take note that above 26.56 right here, if you trade with demand and supply, this is gonna have another like supply zone which is over here. So of course the zone is big. Okay, so you need to wait for confirmation. You go to the lower time frame. I will show the example. Okay, let's say our sell zone between, you can see that it's like almost 200 pip. That's quite big, right? So one price approaching to your zone, for example, this I will identify this one is my second resistance in head 4 time frame. Second resistance in head 4 actually is the first resistance for the daily time frame. Then I'll pull back. Okay, anyway, let us show you what I mean by confirmation. For example, yesterday price come to here, head 4 time frame here, right? If you were to go to like the lower time frame, M15 for example, but of course if you are working full-time, you don't have time, you can set the sell limit. But then of course if you put the sell limit, right, you need to have quite a big like a stop loss. Okay, because you cannot wait for confirmation, so that's why your stop loss will be like further. Okay, now I'm at the M15, so I want to sell here, but I don't know whether I can sell now. I need to look for the confirmation. It could be price action, divergence, or any kind of chart pattern over here. Let's just see. Now, based on over here, I will see that there is a divergence here. Okay, based on M5, you'll see the bearish divergence versus the price. Okay, this I mean by confirmation. When price come to the zone, do you think that price come to the zone, you can see a lot of rejection? Even though like if you were to identify here your resistance here, it's just head 4, it's just your what, a wick. Doesn't mean like you go to the lower time frame and then you think, oh, it seems like price is going, it's already. If you were to look, just look like that, you'll see the price break above, now it pull back, it become your support level. No, okay, this is your resistance based on head 4 time frame. So if you identify the key level on a H4 time frame, you need to wait for H4 candle to close, and then you can see that the rejection. Okay, a wick, a long wick. H1 also has bearish divergence here, so either is your sell over here. All right. So waiting for double, triple top, head and shoulder, louder top, pin bar. Yes, this is for example. I'm talking about the example here. So this is bearish divergence here. My confirm in M15, my rejection is over here. Okay, now price is falling all the way here. Let's say if I want to have another sell entry, I forgot I could wait for enough price pull back here. I want to have another sell. Okay, and then you can see the price almost pull back here, almost reaching. Okay, I have another sell. I can see that this is my price action, and then you have another sell entry at this zone. Okay, because I sell based on daily time frame. Okay, we follow the daily time frame, and then price also within the bearish channel line. The momentum is rechanging because of this low. Okay, like this low. Okay, this low they break. Okay, they break below. Okay, so now What another indicator? Some of you guys may be using the Ichimoku cloud. To me, Ichimoku cloud is work well with currency pair. Those like currency pair, okay, not with gold. Let's say we test out on EU. Okay, EU USD, you need to sell. Okay, first we know that this our ego high. Now we look. Okay, just take out this one first. Based on daily time frame here, it's very hard to see whether price is uptrend or downtrend. Okay, from here, of course, we would think that price is in the daily time frame is a downtrend, right? Because they make a lower low in the bigger picture like that, like the high, the low, lower high, lower low. Okay, then after that it's ranging here, right? So now ranging, maybe continue to go down because they haven't break above this high, and then price is still like barely channel line, barely trend line. Okay, in the bigger picture there, but if you were to like zoom here, we will sell, right? Because price is still bearish. Okay, daily time frame is what ranging here, and then after that we will see this one is like double top or M pattern, right? You can see that. Boom, come down, continue to go down. Some of you guys may wait for price to pull to the neckline, but you know, market is not so lovely for you. M pattern, you wait here and then price is falling. It's not that like easy. But over here, they already tell you that I'm going to continue to go bearish, right? M pattern, a lot of rejection over here. Do you see that? Okay, so you need to sell. When you see the pattern like that, right, we're gonna sell. But how are we going to sell? Okay, you need to look for, let me pull Ichimoku cloud. Okay, Ichimoku cloud is very clear that price. Okay, if you want to trade with Ichimoku cloud, is that price break above, you hold your buy, right? You hold until you start to see chart pattern, you close your buy. You need to open your sell, because if you're not close, you will see that if price starting to go in the cloud, you exit your position because they were changing the momentum already. Now they break below your Ichimoku cloud, also acting also at the resistance, so you need to sell. So you can use this for your momentum indicator. For daily time frame, you just hold your sales in here, pull back, you have another sell entry. But how are you going to get the entry based on daily time frame here? Okay, let's say this is, then you need to identify the key level. This is going to be your, let's say identify this is my support level. Okay, but price did not, they capture where the recent one is here. Let's say you identify your support level. Now I want to sell, so I need to wait for what you can use. You can use Fibonacci. First one, this could be my, let's just say I would identify this my first resistance. We have like 38.2%, and my second resistance will be at the neckline. It should be like almost 61.8%. Okay, now you can see. Okay, you can see that I have another sell entry here. Okay, I identify based on your left, your pull, and then you see that Fibonacci 38.2. Okay, you can see that price come all the way and then continue to go down trend. So based on daily time frame, this one is gonna be my first resistance, this one is gonna be my second resistance level. Remove. We're going to wait for price to pull back because we want to sell, right? Ichimoku clouds already break below. Okay, the trend is already changing. Now I'm waiting to sell here today. Okay, let's say we're going to sell here. What's about you go to the lower time frame, H4. You look at H4 time frame. Okay, do you see before you sell at the second resistance, you see your price action break below the support, pull back, it becomes your resistance level, right? Now it's going to go down. H4 time frame, you can see that the momentum is here, you sell. Okay, you sell. What are we pull? EMA 200. Do you see EMA 200 also price in here? Okay, break below, pull back, you hold your sell. Okay, somebody say, how can I identify the key level, support and resistance? And somebody say, at the major swing point, I prefer using zone instead of line. I use the close of the candle, not the wick. No, it depends. Okay, you could identify at the wick or the body, and then you highlight the zone. The key thing is that you need to look to your left. Okay, if there is only one swing like this, I'm not going to identify this my like you could say this is your swing low support, but it's a weak, it really weak swing low, because you need like one here. On your left there is nothing, don't know what happening here, then price just bounce off of that. Maybe we go to the higher time frame. Maybe on your left, what is this? Then you look to the left, what is happening here? Maybe price come all the way to where capture the body. Let me zoom to see. At this order block here for daily time frame. So it's gonna be your support for daily time frame, and then price come and then have the rejection. So if H4 you want to identify, there is nothing here, there is, you can see that there is nothing over here. Okay, what you can use Fibonacci extension, okay, to help you to find the support or resistance, or you go the one time frame higher, okay, and then you look to the left, then you can see that what is happening over here, or what we could see, and then you can draw the zone. So these are gonna call at this what, support zone or support area, okay, whatever you want to call it. So one price come here, then you can see the rejection. Okay, and EURUSD daily time frame price also break below, right? You can see the break below here. So now you're gonna sell. What we're going to do based on daily, I pull up the I side. So what you can see, I side here, I side is already oversold, right? Oversold here. So if you were to sell, for example, if you want to sell here, okay, I'm not going to sell over here. Why? Because if I want to sell, at least I like to, like, you know, at least like 50% or above 50, or maybe like 70. This is already at the key support level here. Okay, the next zone that I'm waiting for, it's gonna be somehow, maybe this is gonna be my first overlap resistance, which is I monitor, which is this one, and the next sell zone gonna be here, because we have another supply zone right there, and then maybe we have more time for RSI to go up, right? You can see that, right? You can for scalping, maybe you can, because these are daily candle rejection, okay, opening, rejection, and closing here, okay, and then bounce up again, and then coming down, and then closing is here. Now go to H4. So H4 is going to be like that. Price already closed the gap, right? They already closed the gap. She's here. Okay, they already closed yesterday. You see the body, it already closed. So now it's just ranging. I think they are waiting for the newsletter. You know why we sell here? This is going to be your resistance, and you also see that you also have like supply zone. This also have combined with your supply zone here. That's why we sell red, right? Here, and then price falling, close the gap. Okay, of course, if you want to trade like EURUSD, GBP, or gold, you need to look for a dollar. You need to know how to look at dollar, because they are negative correlation. So look at the dollar candle in H4 time frame. Above EMA, buy. Alright, you can see above Ichimoku cloud as well. Okay, you could just pick one. Even to use Ichimoku cloud, you use Ichimoku cloud, because you might get confused based on like if you think that okay price break below the cow, you pull back, you sell, yes, correct, right? And after that, because of this one, which is Wednesday number 6, I think that should have a new, and then price push the price up, pull back. Now is acting the resistance as support, pull back, and then to continue to go higher. Okay, what about you? You look at daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can see that break above, pull back where? Here, EMA 200 and go higher. This is your Ichimoku cloud. Okay, but I try Ichimoku cloud and gold is not really work well. Gold, if you want to use, you should use EMA 200 to identify the trend. Okay, any questions so far? Yeah. Okay, what about if you want to trade the ranging market? I try not to trade on the ranging market. If you see the ranging market and then you trade, yeah, you can trade like one time, two times, that's it. Try not to like buy at the support and sell the resistance if you see the ranging, because eventually it will break, because price will decide whether you want to break above or break below. Let's just look at EU. Okay, I remove like. Okay, when you see the candle, this is the daily time frame. Okay, let me go H4. Like here, you tend to look over here. Maybe okay here. Here, right? You will look here. Price just ranging. Okay. Based on this week. Okay, if you buy here, you sell, you TP, you sell, and then you keep buying, and then eventually they break above. You can see the candle, which is this candle. Okay, break above here, and then they continue to go higher. So if I see the candle like that, it's not very nice. I'm not trade if I see the ranging market here, and then eventually they break above, unless if you think that okay price is going to go higher, and then you can hold your buy position. Either let's say you have a good entry here, you can just put your stop loss to break even, and then price continue higher. Okay, at certain here, if you're day trade, you don't need to look so far away for like the trend. Okay, just based on here, just look at market structures, because some of you guys say, oh, I need to like look H1, H4. I'm so confused, I don't know which time frame I should look. Then if you look at H4 up to here, price make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Continue to go uptrend. Okay, then what do you think? Over here, you pull out the I sign. Okay, price have the bearish divergence here, and this is the also there the resistance level based on this body, right? Even though here slightly like big above excuse me here, but the I side already tell you there's a bearish divergence, price is going to reverse from here. Okay, and then after that they start to have the okay higher high, higher low, higher high, and now they have an equal low here, and after they have a lower high, lower low, right? Then you know that the momentum is changing. Okay, so then you sell. Okay, after you sell certain level, you would identify the key level. You know that it's gonna be your support level. Okay, this is your support level. So price is kind of like stay here for a while, right? You can see that based on H4 time frame, this is our support level overlap. You can see the price action over here, a lot of price action. Okay, then eventually how many you can see that based on H4 time frame here, 2 candle. Okay, so it means that it's a ranging in the lower time frame. We go to maybe let me show you over here. Okay, you look at the M15. You can see the M15 if you will just wait over here and then let's say you buy, because you buy at the support, right? And then you look at M15, what you could see here, price is just ranging. Where is my mouse? Now I cannot see if you guys ask me a question. Anyway, I look here. I love trading the triangle breakout. Okay, hello, trade the FT or something. Where is it? I cannot look. Hang on, guys. It seems like my mouse is not working. It's here. And another screen I cannot see. Never mind. Okay. Alright. Okay. Based on M15 back here, you will see the price is just ranging here. If you were to buy over here, and then you might get panic because of you want to identify it your, like just say your first support. Okay. But then price is just ranging here. Okay. Don't always stick to the lower time frame. And then after that, you go maybe to H1. What's happening in H1? Okay. As long as H1, okay, what you could see, the lower one is here, right? So if you were to identify your hold, okay, your hold, and what you could see here based on H1 time frame, it look like the bill, right? You can see break above, maybe pull back and then continue, right? But this is how H4 look like, price action. Okay, do you think that price is gonna pull back? I'm not sure. Let's just see. If we were to buy, have another or maybe this zone. Okay, let's just see. Right? H1 time frame, price come. Okay. You can see if we have another one, that you see that there is a wick. Okay, it's just a wick. Then it gives me a fly high, right? You can see that. Why? It was look here. You need to know how to look, right? It look like, I just tell you. Just right, continue just now, pull back this one. Okay, maybe they come here to get like a demand zone here. Okay, either close and then you can see M30 rejection and fly higher. Okay, that's why I remove, go to H4 again. You could use EMA 200 to identify the trend either in H1, H4 or daily time frame, up to you. But to me, the most important one, you need to know how to identify the trend. Whether uptrend, you just need to know how to identify the market structure. H4 time frame, you can use channel line. This is your bearish channel line. So also can see the price is make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? You can see that still within the trend. Okay, now either if they want to trade with the trend, break above, pull back. If you want to trade with the trend, right, the trend line or channel line here, price pull back here might be aligned or close to your resistance level or pullback resistance or overlap support. Used to be the resistance. If they break above, pull back, and then you buy or sell from here. Should be buy. Okay. You guys have any question? Okay, everything should be clear now. Okay, so I personally use indicator. Okay, only eyesight. Maybe Ichimoku cloud if I want to look for the trend. Maybe sometime EMA, then what, Fibonacci. Okay, that's all. And you need to look at market structures. Okay, you can adapt if you know how to use like ICT or SMC. You just wait for price to make a market structure shift or change of character, for example here, or QM, whatever you strategy you want to call. For example here, right, they break below, because from here they used to be like uptrend. Okay, break below because of this candle, right? So you could identify this one for the ICT, they will call market structure shape. Okay, SMC channel character, whatever you want to call it, and you use Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low. What you could see, this is your sell entry, right? Price is pull back here and then sell. So they will make a lower low, lower high from here. Over here, where price is rising, you need to pull Fibonacci, or you use the I sign. What do you see here? There is a divergence over here based on daily time frame. Okay, I will show you. H4 time frame, sorry. Okay, up to here, this is your support level based on this week. Okay, and price come here. You to how to identify correctly. Do you see the rejection? Do you see your price act? You see the rejection here, and they make a lower low, but indicator is make a higher low. So this one is your bullish divergence here. Okay, I still keep my support level here, right? Overlap. H4 time frame, you can see the imbalance here. So this is our imbalance, right? You can see that push the price down, this candle. Now we will provide to pull back, and then we will to sell. So from this resist support, it become your pullback resistance level. Okay, you see that it is big boy in the markets, right? Only can push the price down. This one used to be the key level, because you can see that here 4 time frame already of rejection here, and I put the price up here, break below. Okay, so if you were to buy again, because how many times they're touching? More than 5 times, right? Come back again, rejection, meaning that this level I'm not interested anymore, because you know I already like testing a few times. I'm not interested. Okay, and then price come from where? From key resistance level, which is here. This is your key resistance. You can see the, do you see the price action? Very strong price action is here. Zoom to see, right? You can see that. So you could identify your resistance zone, which is this one. Okay, and another one I will teach you guys, okay, how to read the candle. Do you see that opening and closing almost the same price? Okay, opening here, closing for the green, you can see the closing, you can see opening, right? So meaning that I'm going to sell a lot of sell order over here. Price come to the zone, rejection, sell. The next candle, I don't care, I sell. Okay, closing for the green is here, right? It's here, and this one is opening, sell is here, closing is here, and then second one is keep selling. Okay, you look at the candle. Any question, guys? Now let's identify. Let's say now we know that momentum is changing, right? We see that this is like equal high based on H4 time frame, because we have an equal high here, right? So now we identify the key level. Now I will change this one to, let's just say, first resistance. For example, I identify this first resistance level, but price did not come to my resistance level. Okay, let's say up to here. Now we want to sell, but where is our support level? Look to the left. Maybe I could identify this my first support. Okay, meaning that first support here, let's just continue to see. Now price break below the support level and now it pull back. Do you see the candle is pull back here? Break below, you can see that break below meaning that price is close below this level. Okay, from first support it become your pullback resistance. Now we wait for price to pull back, which is they already pull back right here. We sell because the momentum is changing already. There is a chart pattern seen there. Okay, and then you sell. And then where is the next level? I would identify this is gonna be my support level here. Okay, then you need to adjust your level. This is my second resistance. Of course, the key level I will identify like every day based on H4 time frame. Okay, I would identify this my first support. Okay, so one price approaching to the key level, you need to go to the lower time frame. Because we want to wait for confirmation, right? Let's say you were to identify, but the lower in in M15 is here, okay? But this is a H4. Let's just see. Now it's just ranging, right? You can see the candle, no volume, because why? You can see that the impulsive move first and then it's rising. Now it go back to the resistance. Now we sell here, right? This is our resistance level like just now I mentioned. And then you can see that M15, you see the rejection. I see the divergence here as well. Price make a higher high, indicator is make lower high. So if you are never ever trade with divergence, meaning that you miss out a lot of the opportunity. So please, alright, trade price approaching the key level. Okay, pull out RSI and then you look for the divergence and then you hold. Can we do idea confirmation before take position? No. If you want to wait for confirmation, you don't have, because the confirmation you need to go to the lower time frame, because we want to see if you were to just wait for H4 you can, but then you need to wait for H4 to close, meaning that one H4 time frame, one candle you wait for hour. Okay, meaning that if price come here, I want to have like tight stop loss. If price come here, I want to see if I see the rejection, meaning confirmation, I want to sell, and then I have a tight stop loss. But again, if you don't have time because you're working full time, you can put the pending order over here, and then you have then you put the stop loss slightly further. Okay, because you don't have time to wait for the confirmation. But because I always on my computer 8 hours a day because I'm working full time, right? That's why I will see. Or you can set alert. Okay, if you're using the trading view trading view, okay, you can set the alert, meaning that let's say you identify the first resistance here, you can set alerts like, okay, if price about to close or close above, then you receive notification and then you kind of like wait. Or you can go like M15 to see the confirmation. Because for IC market, if you have account with them, you are using the C trader, okay, you can trade on the trading view. Okay, you can play the buy button here, which is you know, trading panel. If you click here, you can just sync your C trader here and then you trade. It's very, very convenient. Okay, and then over here we sell, right? Because we want to sell here. And what's happening? Boom, TP, go all the way to the support level here, right? And then TP here, even TP at the wick first, all the way, and now it's rising again. And then after that, the next day, and then I'll identify the key level again. Where is my support and resistance? Okay, what is like yesterday? Price ending with what? Closing with green or red? Let's say daily time frame, I still buy as sell. but of course we're not gonna sell here. You need to look at the I sign. Okay, based over here, daily time frame, you already see that price already over sold, right? You see below like 30, and this is already at our support level. This is your support level. I want to stretch here like the support level here. That's why you see the price to pull back. Okay, and could identify the washout. Look really lovely like M pattern. They haven't pulled back, right? EU sell, 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 sell. Of course now they need to buy. Okay, I want to buy EU already. Why you sell EU? Because of Trump, right? Election. That's why a lot of people you know, buy dollar, sell gold. Oh no, buy dollar, buy gold as well now. And maybe they also sell EU and go buy BTC, right? BTC keep higher, getting really, really higher, and now it's already pulled back, right? So definitely you will see the price will kind of like pull back, maybe up here, and then continue to go down. But of course, we'll go higher first. Okay, EU. Look at the dollar. You can see that dollar is already the resistance, right? You can see this is negative correlation, daily time frame. Overbought, EU, oversold. Okay, so I buy EU, then of course you buy EU, you sell dollar. Okay, because you see you buy dollar, you sell EU here. So now it's time for me to buy EU because EU is cheap already. I mean, right? We buy at a cheaper price and we sell at the higher price. Okay, I sell. I could say that I sell dollar. I want to buy EU. I want to buy GU because they are negative correlation. Okay, the pattern will look the same. And gold. Okay, now gold has currently they have a positive correlation with dollar. So a lot of people sell buy dollar, also buy gold. So I think now they are selling dollar. Maybe later they're gonna have a news, right? FOMC. This is gonna be where the support level. This is gonna be my first support for dollar in daily time frame. The next support level at the neckline here. Okay, and you want to see. Okay, try not to look for like a direction or trend direction or market structure on the lower time frame because a lot of noise, right? If you look at daily time frame, you will see that like price make a lower low, lower high. Okay, lower low. Now they make a higher low, higher low. Okay, and they also have the divergence. Do you see the divergence here? Yeah, this is a bullish divergence here. So if you see the divergence happen in H4 or higher time frame, you can hold. Okay, you can hold your trade. Don't aim for only like a 15 or 20 pip. If you trade currency, if you want to aim for 15 to 20, no, 15, at least 15, you can enter the trade on the M15 minute. Okay, but if you see the divergence in H1, H4, you can aim for at least 30 pip for currency pair. Okay. Okay, somebody asked me, let me see. Copy text. Hang on. Okay, so any questions, guys? I still have like 5 minutes. Any question about this? So, okay, EMA. Do you see that? Break above, pull back, you buy, right? You can see that break above, pull back, and then you buy. Break below, pull back, and then you sell based on EMA 200. Okay, sell right here. Now it's break above, pull back, and then you buy. Or below Ichimoku cloud, lovely cloud, break above. You can see that. Okay, doesn't mean like it will be like bullish all the time, right? Definitely the nature of the graph, they will pull back and then continue to go uptrend. They cannot go like straight away like that. Okay, okay, last question before I end the webinar, guys. Okay, I recommended you to use EMA 200 rather than Ichimoku Cloud, unless if you trade currency, you use Ichimoku Cloud and then you hold your trade for the longer or for the swing. Okay, for the day trade, you can use EMA 200. All right. Okay. UCAT. Okay, last one. I will look for the UCAT for you. UCAT. Okay, best look RSI is already at 71. Okay, you see it will look the same, right? You can see that. Looks so nice. Okay, look at H4. You will just identify my first resistance here, but you want to sell. If I want to identify here my first resistance, this is my first resistance. Okay, you see how I identify, I refer to this wick. Okay, but the market structure is not very nice based on H4. Okay, now let's say price rejection here. Okay, so now we sell. You go to the low. Let's say you want to see the confirmation, what we could see over here. Oh, not yet, sorry, it's right there. Just now, this is your pullback support, which is price already bounced up here. I'm not gonna, okay, doesn't mean it's your resistance level. Okay, break above, pullback, it becomes your support. Yes, it works like that, but then you need to combine with what RSI. Look at your RSI here, it's already overbought. Okay, so if you want to buy here, just now it's a bounce up already. It's already closed the TP. It doesn't mean you will hold higher, because why? One price break above your high, you use an extension. Okay, you see that price could not close above 127 or 127.2%. Okay, so close below. Okay, so now what we going to do here? So you monitor this level. Okay, the level that I'm looking for if I want to buy. Okay, I will wait at least at this zone, which is 50% flip, close to 50%, and then you look at RSI. So the RSI can falling even further. I'm not gonna buy here or already overbought, even though I identify this my resistance, right? Break above, pull back, it become your support. We're gonna buy from here, but it's already overbought. Okay, this just what this one is just a news or something happening, like during the Asian section, I think bounce up here, price could not close above. So now I'm waiting at least this level. I would identify my first support. This one I identify at my intermediate support level, meaning that I'll monitor this level. Okay, but this is a good price to buy. But if price break below where is our second, somewhere around here, or maybe close to the demand zone, somewhere here. Okay, so gonna have the two buy zone here. See, you wait for confirmation, but of course there is going to have a high impact news, so you guys need to take note of that as well. So this is gonna be the zone. Okay, okay, you're welcome, Karin G. Is the webinar every week? Yes, I do the webinar every Tuesday, mostly education, but every Monday it's going to be live training section. They're going to be my colleagues, so you will see me every Tuesday. Okay, if you want to learn something, okay, then you will see me every Tuesday, same time. Okay, but yesterday live training section. All right. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again in the next webinars. Okay, happy trading, just take care. I'll see you guys again next week. Yes, every Tuesday. Alright, bye for now. Take care, guys. Bye.